This is Fatima. Today I want to share my feedback about Gulistan-e-Saadi ki 3 hakaya that I got from Joy of Urdu. Thank you to my best friend Mariam, she can make anything happen, and Zarminae for making this possible. FYI, I was chasing this book for months. Very cool and nostalgic features I want to talk about are, the first one is my favorite. This book belongs to. पता जब आप छोटे होते हैं ना तो आपका दिल चाहता है आप अपना नाम हर जगह लिखें, you know. So this is a very cool feature for students. I used to love writing my name on books so that my siblings can't claim it. The second very nostalgic feature that I enjoyed were the illustrations. I love the illustrations. They're very old school. They remind me of all the Taaleem o Tarbiyat, Bachon ki Duniya, those kind of books. I really enjoyed them. Okay, now let's talk about some contemporary features that I didn't have in my childhood. First was the glossary. So there's a fantastic glossary at the end for children to look at and find their meaning. Another few contemporary things were some questions and some drawing activities for our students. Lastly, the best thing about this book is that we've introduced Sheikh Saadi in a very simple and engaging way. I love the bilingual nature of the book. तीनों हकायात बहुत आसान उर्दू में लिखी गई हैं और जिससे बच्चे engage हो सकते हैं, and I'm hoping that they get interested in our rich literature and heritage and explore their interest further. Congratulations, Joy of Urdu, and looking forward to fantastic, wonderful projects coming from you in the future. Thank you.